Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Taya here. To all my new subscribers, welcome to you, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad that you subscribed to me. I haven't made a video in a while, you guys already know this, but I see that I have gotten a lot of subscribers and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Today, of course, by the title you guys know, this is a tutorial, and today I'll be showing you guys how I got this look. Very simple, very neutral glam, and it's inspired by Nicki Minaj. Well, this is a replica of one of the looks that she had in the video with her and August Alsina for the song No Love, the remix. So the face is very dewy, very simple, some bronzy. It's just very simple, and it just looks sun-kissed and it just looks natural and all of that. So I am sweating as hell because it's very hot and I'm wearing black. So I'm just going to hurry up and rush through this intro. Basically, most of the stuff that I am wearing is from LA Colors Cosmetics, stuff that I purchased with my own money, but basically the eyeshadows, the lip color, this is LA Colors Cosmetic lip color in hot pink. That's what the color is called. It's very nice, very natural looking. So what I did was just to put the color on and then smudge it out with my fingers. Every time I'm going for a natural looking lip, that is what I do. I don't put the color on unless it stay on. Very beginner friendly. If you're doing makeup for the first time or if you're just getting into makeup, this is perfect. Very easy. This is like an everyday face. You probably could wear this minus the lashes to work every day or to school every day. So I kind of sped the video up. You guys won't see my foundation routine because I do already have a video on how I put on my foundation and how I highlight and contour. I will show a little bit of highlighting in the video, but that's basically it. So if you guys would like to see the foundation tutorial, there will be a link somewhere on one of these sides for that. As for my hair, I am wearing another Kanekalon crochet braid install, and I just finished this like this morning because I really wanted to record this video. I didn't go to sleep. I barely got any rest last night just because I wanted to do my hair. So it has some strawberry burgundy in there, and it has some black. But I will show you guys my hair in the next video. If you guys want to have like a talk, me talking about my hair, then you guys can just leave that in the comment section below. Of course, you guys don't forget to subscribe to me. I am back now for good. I will be making more videos. I want to try to make some Halloween tutorials, so you guys should definitely look out for that. Otherwise, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter. Even though I barely tweet, I will begin tweeting you guys. Just ensure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.